Hey guys, this is your last YouTube video talking about test chapter 12, and as you can see, got one of the grandbabies here. You'll probably hear the other one sometime before this is over because she's in the other room. But anyway, just real quick summary, and hopefully the light will let you see this. So your test on Friday, you have vocab, numbers 1 through 5. You're matching the occupations with a description of what they do. And write your words on the word bank. You guys know that to get extra points or get half credit if you miss it on the matching. 6 through 15 is going to be review. This is going to include articles, el and la, un and una. It's going to include adjectives. You're going to have a sentence, and they'll give you two choices in parentheses, and you just choose the right word based on masculine, feminine, singular, plural. This is review. This is what we've been doing since September. So just read your sentences carefully. But usually the word right after the blank is the one that's going to determine your answer. Won't always be right after the blank, but most of the time it will be right after the blank. But just look at it carefully. Read the whole sentence. 16 through 20 is over your new vocabulary about job interviews. They're going to give you 2 steps in a job interview. So for example, it might say fill out an application, and it might say show up for an interview. Okay, which comes first? Well, you fill out the application usually. It's going to be that kind of thing, but using the vocab terms that you have. So they'll give you each question, 16 through 20, gives you 2 steps in the interview process, and you circle the one that comes first. So as long as you can translate what they mean, you should be fine there. 21 through 30 is all review. They will give you sentences with verbs that we've learned this year. You'll have to choose the right verb between 2, and then you need to conjugate it. So if you had a sentence like this, ellos, and then you saw ser and tener, blank, tres perros, they are 3 dogs, they have 3 dogs. Which one's going to make more sense? Well, they have 3 dogs is probably what we're talking about. So you would choose tener, but then you still need to conjugate it and write the correct answer in the blank. So in this case, tienen. Ellos tienen 3 perros. Again, that section is all review. Should be words that you know, or words that you can figure out from context or from how they look. The verbs are all ones that we've learned. There will be irregular ones. Best way to do is kind of look at the end of each chapter. I think you guys have verb charts at the end of your book, but I'm not positive. I know the old book did. So anyway, this is review. 31 to 35, and well, actually everything from 31 on is bonus. 31 to 35 are the commands, if you want to give those a try again. 36 to 40 will be the culture that we're not doing until May 11th. But if you learn it ahead of time, you've got the 5 true and false questions, and then the regular questions, that they ask for you just to answer. So lots of extra bonus this time. It's the last one. Gonna try to make this as easy as possible so we can finish strong. One of the things that I don't think I mentioned when we Zoomed is I am doing participation grades to try to balance out the fact that you guys are doing so much of this on your own. So everybody will have a participation grade, which basically is based on turning in your homework on time, and that will figure in, I haven't decided if it's going to be a 50 point, actually I think I did it as a 100 point grade, so that way that kind of will balance out all the extra work that you've had to do in doing this on your own. So I'll see you Friday. No, I won't see you Friday. I don't remember now if we said we were going to Zoom Friday or not. I'll probably be on at 1 o'clock if you guys want to just check in, because you have your test on Friday. So I think we said we weren't going to Zoom. So anyway, anybody wants to Zoom, shoot me an email between now and then, and we'll Zoom. If not, we probably won't, because the only thing you have left to do is culture, and Friday you'll be busy taking your test. So have a great week. Hopefully I'll see you guys sometime the 12th through the 14th. See ya.